I have Donald and Douglas, and I've been trying to figure out which colors I should customize these engines. I know it's an delivery was bright blue on the railway series. That's what I'm reading here on Fandom, which is close to the Thomas, Gordon, or Edward. But some YouTubers already done this before, and I've been trying to do something different. Go to the basis, kind of dark blue, metallic. So which color will be a good? I mean, somebody already done this before. This bright blue on Donald and Douglas, but I think metallic will fit them really cool, and that's what I think. So I'm going to give you the opportunity to choose which color we should customize Donald and Douglas. So if you already activated the notifications bell, you should be familiar with that, and you can vote in the polls which color we will give to these twins, because I prefer metallic. That will be something different, and that's the basis where these twins, that's the basic color where these twins were based. And I know, and I say it again, it's painted bright blue on the railway series, or describe it on the railway series. So anyways, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to go to the poll and vote, so that way the more votes we get, and then we will choose either bright blue or metallic blue. So that's the way you will be part of this modification or custom model engines. All right, thanks for watching. Over and out.